In this video, I will show you how to cancel a pending transaction on the Chase app, so you don't miss any steps and understand exactly what can be cancelled. This method applies to certain pending payments that have not fully processed yet.
By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video.
To get started, open your web browser or the Chase app and go directly to the Chase website. Sign in using your Chase username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard where all of your Chase accounts are listed. Next, select the account where the pending transaction was made. This could be your checking account or another account linked to the payment. After opening the account, you'll see a list of recent transactions, including completed transactions and any payments that are still pending. Look closely at the pending transaction you want to cancel. If the payment is eligible for cancellation, you'll see a cancel option next to it. Tap or click on that pending transaction, then select the cancel button. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to cancel the pending payment. Confirm the cancellation, and Chase will process the request. Once cancelled, the pending transaction will be removed from your list of requests and will not be completed. Keep in mind that not all pending transactions can be cancelled, especially card purchases that are already processing. This option is usually available for specific payments, like bill payments or transfers that haven't finalized yet.
Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts.
But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.